All right, you guys, so I haven't talked to you in forever, so hey, what's up? I miss all of you, even though I post every day. I don't get to talk in the videos very much, but I'm going to talk while I open it real quick because I have not very many updates, but a couple. So number one, just this morning, I went through and a lot of the older shirts on my website, they're on sale. So if you're interested, go check that out. Don't forget to check my merch. I know a lot of you have probably already seen, but the copper cone is out and available. Another thing. Oh, come follow me on TikTok. It's gonna be a blast. So at first I did it for fun. I don't have like a ton of videos or anything. A lot of them are on here, like videos from YouTube, put in TikTok format. However, I do some cute little things. Like for Halloween, I did a cute little transition video from me looking like I came from under a bridge to a cute little witch, you know? So if you're interested, I'm on TikTok. It's just Riahs tie-dye, just like everything else. So there's that. And what else? I am trying to get some stuff on the website. It's really hard, really busy. But I will get some stuff on there. And Christmas is coming up. And UPS or USPS is saying that they're delaying a lot of shipments this year. So they're saying if you don't send things out by December 17th, you won't get it by Christmas. So if you want anything, you'll have to put your orders in at least by the beginning of December. Otherwise, I don't know if I'm gonna have time. And I will let you know that if you email me from my website. I don't ever hold things from you guys. I'll let you know. So if you email me, I'll tell you what my timeline is and we'll go from there. But we're ready to open, okay? Make sure I'm opening this up right. Ooh, that looks good. All right, ready? Pretty purple peace sign. It'll lighten up when I wash it and dry it, and you'll see the end result after this, so just stay tuned for that. All right, you guys, I love it. It's perfect for winter, in case anybody is like a big fan of winter or purple or blue and peace signs. So this will be up on the website probably by tomorrow, maybe tonight. I don't know, whenever I can get there, but I've been trying to keep up on that lately. So thank you so much for watching. Go follow me on TikTok. We'll be friends. We can talk, do videos, whatever. And then you'll get to know me personally. I don't have time to do it on YouTube, but you know what I mean. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Happy tie-dyeing.